Hi everyone, welcome back. Oh my goodness. It really looks like today is going to be one of those days when I cannot get a painting out. As you can see, I've just scraped this canvas. Well, I didn't even scrape it, I just poured the paint off of it. Oh man. So, while it's still wet, I'm going to just try and pour some paint over it and see what happens. So I'm just going to put some colors in this cup. Oops. And it's still raining and it's very cold, and you know when you're cold how your hands hurt. My hands are sore from the cold. So I've got my heater on in here, but you know it'll take a while for the heater to heat this caravan up, to be fair. So, yeah. So I'm really just putting some colors in here. Most of it I'm just throwing it in from a height so that it sinks. I'm not keeping the colors separate. I'm sort of, it's called a dirty pour, when you just really mixing the paints in. That's basically what I'm doing now. I think that should actually be enough because the canvas is wet. Let me just put some gloves on. My hands are completely covered in paint. But so this canvas is the Dutch pour I did yesterday, and I came in here to check on it, and no, the paints were too thick, and the paint did not. It didn't level itself out, which is what I thought would happen. So I came in here and I watered down some of my paints and I tried again. Right, now we're going to blow the white over it. From both sides. And now we're going to blow it out. So from the middle and out. Where have all my colors gone? I mean, no, this is ridiculous. Look at this. Oh. Oh, this is so annoying. And well, that didn't work, so I tilted this paint off into a cup, and I've now put it into here. So now I'm just going to do a I don't even know. And 2 drips for luck. Oh, like I say, today is just one of those days, isn't it? Okay, let's just tilt this and see what we end up with. I don't want to lose the bright colours on that side or on the bottom here, but let's just see. Well, that's actually quite pretty. I like that. Let me just quickly, I need to just put a stick under here and a stick under this side, because I do not think it's very level. Ah, damn it, I just dripped on it. Let me just get the drip off. Anyway, I'm just going to leave it like that. And let me take my gloves off and quickly torch it. Okay. Yeah, it's actually quite pretty. If it dries like this, it'll be lovely. Put another stick this side. Yeah. I'm going to bring you down quickly and show it to you. So here it is. It's got some pretty colors. It's got some pretty designs in it over there. And that's very pretty. And then when you get up here, it's got very pretty colors in it again. It does unfortunately have a drip in it, but oh well, that's just, you know. But there it is. Yeah, it's actually quite pretty. If it dries like that, it'll be lovely. So, okay. Maybe the weekend wasn't another total disaster. Maybe this is a painting that'll dry nicely for me. So yeah, thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.